Right, so my package has come from One-Stop Gearbox shop for the 79mm 02M gearbox shim. It cost me £19.99 free postage and package. That's the web address. And we'll see how long it takes us to do the shim. You need a hammer and a screwdriver to hammer the cap back out. Let's have a go. Pretty tough, to be fair. Yeah, just watch you do, keep hitting your wheel arches. Probably do with a bigger screwdriver and a hammer, to be honest. Just go and grab one. Well, just gonna go. I can't find a bigger screwdriver, but got a normal hammer. It's moving anyway. That's it. It's coming off. Well, it was. It's starting to leak a bit of fluid, so I'll have to go and get some. Unless I just jack it up a bit higher. Yeah, just jack it up a bit. Ah, it's gone. Quite a bit of play. So just go and get something to clean my gloves off. Right, now there's a spring clip in here. Try and get it out. Forget that. it is actually. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Well, I've just popped this spring clip off. I forgot to press record. There's your spring clip. And then get your shim. Shim and a new plug. Put your shim in. And there's a, just push it in. And we take out a spring clip. Swap that, I've got a bit of gravel on it. It's going to be fun. Push it and then push it on. Make sure it's secure. That's it, it's not minimal play still. And we take our cap and just and that's it really. The only next thing to do is test it out, so I'll put it all back together and take it for a drive and see what happens. Right, so I'm going to take it for a test drive, see how it is. Well, it normally gets stuck there, so looking good so far. Oh. Yeah, 'cause normally I used to struggle to get reverse. Oh. Don't seem too bad now. Let's take it round the block. Sort the camera so it don't fall over. Being lowered isn't too much fun. Here's the real test now, because when I'm going to reverse onto my drive it gets stuck in first gear, so if I keep it in first, no problems at all. So for $19.99 off the one-stop gearbox shop, it's worth paying to do it really, and doing it yourself, save a garage charging you extortionate fees. So there you go, all done and dusted.